So today we are playing. Okay, so I'm gonna show her how to basically screenshot a photo and then like Photoshop it kind of your MSP character. So I'll be right back. Hey guys. So really, so I'm gonna just upload some photos on MSP. Then I'm gonna make some looks of some people. Sorry about my annoying singing. Oh, blessed singing. Oh, nature. Look what I made of you. What is it? The photo. Oh, you got oh hi.
The weird thing about it is I actually don't have gray hair. And I will like never let my hair gray. But it's cute.
Oh, maybe you could date Mad Hatter.
What the freak is that? Is he even on?
Yes, he is on.
Okay, wait, go. Yes. Okay. Okay, text him.
Friend, my friend.
No, say sister.
My sis. Nature pup. I'll buy your wishy if you date her. Wishless.
No, she's like you said washing.
Okay. I just want to see if he'll take the offer. Because this girl is desperate.
I am not desperate.
Can't date her. Why? Uh-oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Okay. I kinda messed up there.
I'm not even cute. Who was that? It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. Or is he? Is he just lying?
I believe him. I believe everybody though. That's the thing about me. I don't like it.
Let's go through his things, maybe. He isn't. Oh, my stomach.
That was weird though. No, the way like you said, like I don't know. What?
I thought you thought I farted, and we're still recording. Okay, and guys, I'm gonna end the video off here. So, bye. Oh, that went wrong.